In this video, I'm going to show you how to find archived emails in Gmail. So you've archived an email, whether it's been on your phone or here on the desktop app, and it goes away, disappears forever, to the archive. Well, to find your archived emails, you need to perform an advanced search here in Gmail. And so all your archived emails actually are basically removing the inbox label and sending it to all mail. So if you click on the left-hand side here, this little More drop-down, you should see All Mail, and you will find all of your archived emails inside of All Mail. They just won't have this inbox label anymore. But you will also see all of the inbox. So to only see your archived emails, come up here and click this Advanced Search option, and we're going to say we want to search for emails that do not have the label inbox. And so that's label : inbox. And we're going to search in all mail. So make sure that this is saying all mail. And, if you want to, you can say, I want to search within a certain time frame. So I want to search 1 day ago or anything like that. But you don't need to do that. We just want to say anything that doesn't have this label inbox and in the all mail section. We search for that, and it's going to remove any emails that have that inbox label, leaving us with all of our archived emails. And so all of these archived emails are the ones that you sort of swiped away or archived to clear out from your inbox, and you can come in here and find them. If you want to move it back to your inbox, you can just select that email and then go to Move to Inbox. You should see this icon right here. If you don't, there might be 3 dots that you can change the toolbar. So this is an advanced toolbar. We could switch to the simple toolbar. Even on the simple, you should still see Move to Inbox. So we move it to the inbox, and it basically adds the inbox label, and now we'll see it back inside of our inbox here. This was the top email we archived in the beginning. So that's how you can find your archived emails on Gmail.